Yes, my people, good day. Customer states vehicle not running right, not driving right. I drove it, and the feeling I get is I'm on the gas, and it feels like it's coming back on me, and then now I ease off and I press it a little bit harder, and then it kind of like kind of shoot off, and then you kind of cruising now, and it feels like it's like boo, like, so it's not smooth, like it doesn't have the power that it should. So checking codes. So I read the codes. You know, we use the codes as pointers to kind of help us out to where we need to be. Mass airflow circuit low input, intake air temp. The mass airflow sensor usually has the air intake temperature sensor made into one. These codes are pointing me to the mass airflow sensor. Let's go take a look. Hood already popped, we're under the hood. This is the airbox right here. The mass airflow sensor usually located right by the airbox, and there it is. I have touched nothing so far. I just popped the hood. What is going on here? There's some DIY stuff going on here. So right off the top, codes pointed me towards the mass airflow sensor, and I came out here and look, unplug. So the next step is to plug it back in, start it back up, and see what happens. It could be that somebody put an air filter in here. I forgot to plug it back in. Put the lock back in, and now we're gonna start it up and see. Right. Alright, sound good. In the past, usually if the mass airflow meter is going bad, something you can unplug it and it runs better because it's running off of a saved map in the computer. Cars have become more sophisticated now, and they really need that input now, so it doesn't really work every time, but some old school thinkers do that type of stuff. And also it could be that somebody put an air filter in it and forgot to plug it back in. So I'm going to take it for a test drive now and see if it clear up that situation. Forgot to clear the code, so clearing it now just in case anything happens. Give it like a 5-mile test drive. Always read codes after you clear them just to see if they still exist. Test drive time. On the road again. Hey, fixed. That's what it was. It drive good.